The impact of Redzone on our shop floor has been unbelievable. Financially, it's been a tremendous impact on the business. So our cost to get material out the door has gone down. Our ability to serve more customers, and in particular serve customers more quickly, has helped us to grow our business. When we started working with Redzone, a backlog in the value add area, it was about 10 days for us to get material out the door. Today that backlog is down to a day or two. It was exactly what we needed. So we've grown the volume in the business 40% while reducing headcount by 15%. I can tell you last year we saved $1.7 million on labor, and our service proposition improved. The productivity uplift we've had in our business is 166%.
So our team members love it, they've embraced it. It makes their jobs easier, everyone's accountable. We're actually achieving numbers in production that we didn't think were attainable before. So when we hit 80,000 bars in a shift or 85,000 bars in a shift, we never dreamed that was possible without massive capital investments. Less effort, better results. And that makes people feel good. That improves their lives, right? Inside the company and outside the company.
It's really improved our entire operation. It's just made us better operators. We've seen some dramatic increases, a 3.5-fold increase in our operating efficiency. The difference between 80% turnover and 50% turnover this year is going to save us almost $500,000.
Don't let the investment steer you away from the project. It's worth it. Coil Specialists, our productivity showed a 37% uptick in the first 90 days.
I was skeptical when they came in, they presented it and said how much of a return we'd be getting on this investment, and I'm a believer now. When we first moved into this building, our production manager said there is no way we can do more than 130 batches a day, and now we're pushing 190 batches a day.
Just this last month we had a record-breaking month of sales. For the last 20 years worked 410s traditionally, but Fridays has been an overtime day, kind of like a catch-up day if we need it. My operations team will come to me and is like, we're burning people out. When we came into this process with Redzone and realizing how we can move our quotas up, be more efficient with the people we have, and we can actually do what we need to do in that same space with less time. We've done over 12 months of straight no overtime.
Over the last year, we have cut out our overtime to zero. We have no overtime now, and saved the company over $360,000.
The OE efficiencies, we were at 25%. That was 2018. This year is 80%, that's our goal. This is really, the ROI can be pretty easy pay immediately. With almost 60% of the workforce, we went from sales revenue $110 million to last year we closed almost $250 million.
Being able to triple output was game-changing for us. Publix reached out to us, 1,300-store grocery chain, and said our shelves are empty, we can't keep it on stock. Can you launch in 6 weeks? And we, with the same equipment, 3 months ago, there's zero chance we could have accepted this customer. And we were able to launch 3 SKUs, 1,300 stores 6 weeks later because we had the capacity. We're the fastest growing brand in the category, and it's just because we're able to make the product and do it with really no change.
Our employees are true owners of the business, and Redzone gives them the ability to take ownership over the work, and employees can really thrive in this environment when they're given the tools to own their success and be successful every day.
From a team standpoint, going through the Kaizen events, we were able to notice, immediate ROI and be able to maintain those margins that the customer will benefit all of our shareholders in the organization.
Manufacturing has tended to be command and control, and we don't pay attention to the people on the floor. And I think Redzone really gave every one of those 500 people, associates on the floor, a voice, and the power of that is just unbelievable.